Hey lovelies, so today I'm going to show you how I deep treat my relaxed hair and prepare it for protective styling. So keep on watching.
You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
So for this deep treatment mask, I am making my own homemade deep treatment mask, and I'm using aloe vera. I'm gonna use my hair mask from Cream of Nature as well, my Mael hair oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just peel off the outer shell of the aloe vera and prepare it to put in my blender. So putting the aloe vera gel in the blender now, and I'm gonna add some rosemary leaves, some rosemary to my blender, some extra virgin coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, and then I blend all of this together for my deep treatment mask. So now it's ready. Pour that out, and I can assure you this smells so good, even with the apple cider vinegar in it. So then I just go ahead and part my relaxed hair in preparation for the application of the deep treatment mask, homemade. So I'm gonna add the mixture now to my hair section by section, and y'all, your girl is on a hair journey, so of course I don't want to have my relaxed hair out all the time. So I am literally 1 month in since I've relaxed my natural hair again for a second time, and for the other month before I do a second relaxer, I am doing a deep treatment on my hair for a protective style. So I'm basically gonna keep this protective style in my hair for another 1 month before I relax my hair. So I want to make sure that my hair is treated, the strands are intact and strong, and I'm gonna make sure it's well moisturized before I do my protective style. And for you, you want to make sure that you nourish your hair for protective styling, and if you intend for your relaxed hair to grow, you have to wear protective style, because you don't want to comb it often, you don't want to have it out all the time to the air and the wind. So after application, I'm just gonna clip it up and put it underneath the cap, the steam cap, make sure it's well secured, and then I'll sit underneath the cap dryer for 20 minutes for deep steaming, so that all that natural ingredients from all the things that I've mixed will seep into my strands, into my cuticles. And now after 20 minutes, I'm ready to go and wash all of this niceness out of my hair. And don't worry, the rosemary pieces. So I went and washed out that first deep treatment with all those natural ingredients, and then now I am going to use my weekly hair mask over my hair. I'm gonna put it in there for like 5 minutes. So again, this amount, and just gonna coat the hair to bear in mind that I had deep treated with the natural ingredients on dry hair first, then afterwards, after 20 minutes, go in and wash out my hair with my Motions shampoo. And trust me, I've combed through my hair a few little times since this treatment and my strands are intact. There is little to no shedding or breakage from my hair, so I know that my hair is healthy at the moment and I want to maintain that. So I'm just going to clip this back up, put on the steam cap again, not under the cap dryer now, but just for 5 minutes with it on it. Went and rinse it out, condition my hair, and now I am gonna prepare to properly oil my hair so that it's properly moisturized in preparation for my protective styling. So go ahead, use the blow dryer this time to dry my hair. It's not necessary for me to sit underneath the cap dryer because I'm gonna do a protective style, so I don't have to set my hair or anything. Just gonna blow dry it, make sure all the moisture, all the water is out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and oil it all up. And just me, look at that, no hair is coming out of my head, no breakage, my strands are strong and my hair is bouncy. So now I'm gonna go in with the mild hair oil and my Arisopa scalp blend, and I'm telling you, the Arisopa scalp blend does wonders for my scalp. If you have dandruff problem, want to use the Arisopa scalp blend, it takes care of it. And ever since I've been using this scalp blend on my scalp, I don't have any dandruff, little to no itching. So mixing this Ari scalp blend with the mild hair oil, that's golden for your hair and your scalp. So section by section, I'm gonna use the scalp blend on my scalp, and then I'll go in with the mild hair oil on my scalp and on my hair. All throughout my strands, I will put the mild hair oil. So now I'm gonna massage this all over my head, making sure the oil is properly distributed throughout my strands and all over my scalp, and voila. Guys, this feels, my hair meat feels so cool. Like the oils, the Arisopa blend and the mild hair oil together, both of them give me such a cool, minty, fresh feeling on my scalp. And I can tell you, if you try this preparation, deep treatment and preparation for when you're gonna do your protective style, you cannot go wrong. Look, I have no hair literally coming from my hair, which means that my hair is doing pretty well, healthy, and I am loving it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for our other video where I'm going to show you guys the protective style that I'm going to do on my hair right now. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, and stay tuned for my next video.